Start recording. This is gonna be like a short one today. Let's check if it's actually working. YouTube. Here you are. 10 things I learned after 112 days of vibe coding and up until I make 1 million. Okay, I don't care. He's a cool guy, but like, don't watch him. Watch me instead. So, view channel. Am I live? Are we live? Yes. Yeah, a little behind. Little. Okay, select stream, refresh. No, this doesn't help. Okay, here. Excellent. So, no viewers, no views. But it's me talking again. And let's just make sure there's a chat. Oh, there is. Hey, sir. There's someone already? How's your day? I'm good. Is it today or like someone wrote to me like a week ago or something? Hi there. Are you here now? Ooh, yes, good. Oh, okay. Yeah, because my statistics, like this OBS thing doesn't says that. Oh yeah, 2 people. Wow, new record. Like we start with 2 people straight away. Bravo, guys. Like you. Maybe it's because my new camera. I bought myself a new Logitech camera, and look how good it is. So this is my new camera, and this is my old camera. Huh? See? Like, okay, it goes lower. And this is the new camera, which is a bit closer. I like it that way. Am I building something live? Yeah, I have to fix a couple of bugs because my plan. Nice to see you, dude. I like new subs. Basically, my plan was to release it today, but you know it's a new year, and I'm kind of. And also, like, I have a couple of bugs that my colleague, who is my friend, who is actually using it, has what he found, and so I want to fix them in my app. Let me just show you my app because it's a terrific, simple, and a nice solution, I think. So let's cd web. So this is my front end, pm dev, which is React, and then so this is one, and this is backend cd. Where are you from, dude? Backend dudes. CD backend. Can you please tell a little about what you're building? So, oh yeah. Okay. You sound very. Okay. Yeah, I'm building like a app for deliveries. For sorry, just I will show it to you in a second. Python manage by. Good. How is India today? Oh, it's evening now, isn't it? Or it's late. Like. Is it? Manage by, and what else was there? Run server, yes, run server. So yeah, this is almost my app. Let it show. So this is this is my app. This is login screen, which is the most important part, obviously. But then there is also an app behind it. Hopefully I will open. So this is like for managing products, customers, suppliers, and deliveries. And this is so you have like your main thing is your delivery. Okay, it's not that late. Main thing is your delivery. Why it's like 21:19? Like this is like 4.5 hours like difference. Can there be halves? Because like if you look, it's 4:46 here in Poland. So if it's India, like I would expect it to be like 5 hours behind or 4 hours behind. I don't know. Okay, maybe your clock is wrong. Yeah. So the app is about deliveries. So you make deliveries, and like if you're like one of those companies in between, which is a supply. Yeah, 20. I don't know. Okay, wherever. If you are like a guy who is supplying some companies, then you are dealing with deliveries, and you're dealing with some products. And then you have some products of yours and your customers, which are defined here. And then you have suppliers and deliveries, you know? And then like you might have, because like I'm trying to pinch people who are actually using Excel. So you might be using Excel. So like my application is allowing you to upload your Excel file with your products and stuff, and then manage them here. So this is pretty good for that. And it's I know you might actually think that there's a competition there, and there is, but I'm actually aiming to in simplicity. So my app is going to take small functionality for small businesses, and it will solve, you know, and it will look for a couple of hundred to thousands of different businesses. And once, so this app is almost there, you know, and then I have my sales page, which I have to finish before I will actually, make money, you know, launch it. So yesterday I was working on this, and this is like a, you know, main image. Then there will be video, which I already recorded, although I just have to put some screenshots to it. So it's, I need to get some testimonials from people, and there are some features, and there are some pricings, you know, although like I think this pricing might actually go to bin, because I don't really care about the free people, you know, I just want to have paid people. I think it's you know, I don't need more customers if they're free, or maybe I do, like, you know, I might actually, yeah, I don't know, like the thing is, like, I don't really see too much value in having people using my app without paying forever, you know, like I don't need that many customers, and I don't know if this is a good strategy, but I will see how it is. And there is some stuff. So this is like a page first my sales page, and this will actually redirect you to Stripe payments. So this is already implemented. And then like when you pay, or like at least you put your credit card, you actually get access to this app. And it, as I said, it allows you to manage your deliveries. Although it turns out, I spoke to my friend yesterday, who is actually my first user, and he has problems with this functionality, which is a pretty neat functionality. I love it actually, where you can redefine your columns for this table, and you can just move them around, you know, so you can change their order. But the problem is now that if I go back and back, oh, did it remember? I don't think it did. Does it? So name went here. Okay, so let's say quantity goes first. Oh, okay, so this reordering and renaming, it actually works in products. Yeah, so quantity is here because I reordered it, but it doesn't work in other places. So let me just fix it now. And this is something that I will vibe code now, because I'm kind of lazy. I could probably do it myself, but yeah, thanks for a compliment. I think it's a nice product. Yeah, apply. You have a blue eyes, damn. Yeah, I know. Especially with this camera. This camera makes my eyes even bluer. Thank you. Yeah, I'm getting so many compliments. It's so common in your country to have them. My father have them. My older daughter have them. So yeah, it is common-ish. Like probably it's like 20 or 30% of Polish people have blue eyes. Maybe a bit less actually, but you know, maybe not that much. Let's see how many. Poland, how many people with blue eyes? Yeah, let's see. 20% was my guess. 52%. Whoa. No fucking way. Like in Poland, approximately 52.5% of people have blue eyes, making it most common eye color there, followed by brown eyes. This is my mom and one of my sisters. Wow. Damn it, yeah. My guess was, when I said 20%, I thought like, whoa, this sounds high. But maybe we are a blue-eyed nation. Yeah. So yeah, I'm like most of Polish people, I'm blue-eyed. Black is rare. Like what's black? Like black eyes? Did I ever see? Yeah, back to my app. You know, as much as I enjoy talking about people's eye color, let's get back to what was it? To my app. So basically, like this functionality works here well, like we are rearranging those columns, but here it doesn't. I think let's change this company name just to name, and let's save it, and let's just apply it. Now it changed the name, but then when I go back here and back here, it says company name again. So it's broken here, and same here, and same here. So admin and the users have different logins and dashboards. Actually, currently admin has a couple of more functions. So like he can invite users, and he can change some settings like, you know, categories and delivery statuses. So yeah, a bit more, but no, it's it's 2 people at this moment. But yeah, it's not that few, you know, if you think of it. I'm much more used to podcasts where I'm alone here. So it's good to see like there's a bunch of us. But I like sometimes there is like my record was I think 8 so far. So you know, I'm a growing channel, as you can see. And with your 1 sub, it's probably up to 224 or 225. Let's see how popular I got. I'm bragging now. 334, 234. That's a bunch of people. Does anyone like? I'm looking for an editor for shorts. If anyone wants that kind of job, I'll be happy to give it away. You have 15 years of experience. Wow. Yes. That's actually, you know, 15 years of corporate experience in web development, application building, and you know, all that jazz. You know, software development basically. I'm just getting started. It's been 10 months in a startup near my home. Good. Could you give some advice to newbie like me? Just work on code, learn coding. I don't know, like depending what's like, do what you like. I think that's probably most important. Yeah, do what you enjoy. I think that's probably worth it, and don't be afraid to say if you don't agree with your managers. That would be my second advice. I wish I kind of listened to it myself earlier, but it's actually making you a more interesting person. So I would say that it might actually make your career a bit harder in moments, but long term you will actually gain much more that way. So yeah, I think not agreeing with your managers is something that probably if I could advise myself to do something differently 10 years ago, and if I could promise myself that I will actually listen to my advice, but because I would probably not, then I would say yes, just be don't worry if you're actually gonna disagree with other people. Back to my app. Yeah, so I was actually going to launch it even maybe today, because it's actually ready-ish. But we found some errors yesterday, and I don't really like to launch it with them. So I'll actually fix them now. So let's, for example, in customers, suppliers, and deliveries. I'm back to expensive agents because I've got new credit, this new month's credit. So let's go to Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, Gemini. I don't know. Usually, like Claude Sonnet was my favorite. Was it? Let's see. Hi. Should I say hi to my AI? No, it's my slave. I'm just telling it what to do. So in product, not in products. Let's say, okay, the products stable when I change the name of column and order of columns, it's being saved. But in commerce supply suppliers, supply and deliveries. It's not deliveries. It's not. Can you make that all tables work like products? Product stable. Yeah. Go with AI. Do stuff. Make it happen. What's in my hair? Yeah. So now that AI is doing stuff for me, should we like make a poll? Let's make a poll. What's your what poll can we start? I don't know actually. I don't know. Okay. Do you have any questions? I can actually try to answer now while my AI is actually doing shit. Are you using the anti-gravity? I don't know what you are asking even. What's anti-gravity? Oh, okay, no, go back. Oh, okay. How do I clean my drawing? Okay, let's remove my drawings. Okay, so I could no, not studio mode. Yeah, so have no idea what you're asking about. I'll try to code now. Oh, that's an interesting anti-gravity code editor by Google. No, I don't know that one. Is it good? Should I try? Maybe other day. Maybe that will be a video. Me trying anti-gravity code editor. It's like but the thing is like it's just like a code editor. Like when you use like it's just put code there. I don't really see too much advantage in now in switching. Like I'm kind of used to this one, and like the thing is like thinking about code editors, style libraries, you know, is something that kind of stops you from solving other problems. Like, what is the you know, what application I want to build? Yeah, okay, probably. I might try one day, maybe soon actually. Let's see if it's actually fixed now, because let's try now. Refresh it, and here I just gonna have a name. Apply, and we go here, and it's not saved. You son of a bitch. Why didn't you save it? Let's see if reordering works. So email went before contact person. Apply. Contact person. Here. Email. Here. Yep. Still not working. AI is lying to me. Come on. No, they're not working. No. Are not working like you are lying to me, Claude. Try again. Should I? Yeah, try again. The user is saying that I'm lying. You're right. Let me investigate more carefully. The user is saying that AI is lying. Code editor. Okay, AI. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I heard that you should play music when you have your live cast. Then there's always something going on, and like sometimes I don't know what to say. So the music will actually fill up the void. Do you think it's a good idea? Maybe that's the idea for the poll. Oh, this is actually a really cool Polish song I've been listening to recently. It's like a modern but old. That's in Polish, obviously. While my AI is trying to fuck my code. Oh, sorry, mess my application. Core columns, okay, columns, name, change, blah blah blah, apply, yes, no, I don't know. Perfect, now it's all three tables work exactly like product table. Okay, if you lie to me, I promise I will change you. Claude, if you are lying, you're gonna be replaced. I promise you. Okay, let's just, oh no, sorry. So my company name, which we renamed to name, yes? Okay, apply. And email should be second. Yes? Before contact person. Apply. And now when we go here, and we go back, it's lying again. No, it's not working. But AI told me that it does. So okay. Again, Claude, you are a liar. I don't like you. I'm gonna replace you with Gemini Pro Flash Preview. Let's try the cheap one. So I have to, like, it says it's quick. Gemini. Gemini, please save me. I was lied by Claude at it fixed my column Ming and or should be saved and remembered the backend. Oh, I think it's not saving it on the backend. And for customers, whatever they call it. Isn't it like a good song? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was a Polish song that I played to you. Play other ones, actually. Now a bit quieter. So there's always something going on in the background. So if I'm not talking and I don't always have anything to say, because you guys don't ask too much, like my music is gonna fill up the void and you will actually enjoy it more. It's not only about coding with AI, it's also about the music that I'm playing to you guys. So yeah, you're welcome. How did you spend New Year's, guys? Was it exciting like for me when I just like sat down in my sofa till midnight and then 5 past midnight I went to bed? How did you do it, you guys? Yeah, that could be a poll. Start poll. I came from recommendation page. That's good. I was asking about your New Year's Eve, but like that's also a good answer. You know, this Gemini is so slow. I think I might also replace it. It says Flash here, so it's like expected to be quick. Yeah, good. I like to be recommended on recommendation page and sometimes sent by 2 people. Try again. Yeah, I think like my. Come on, let's do it. I might actually want to use something more expensive. Yeah, nice to see you from recommendation page. Do you have any questions about coding, about life, psychology, or whatever? Philosophy, religion, you know? I can probably answer while my AI is trying to speed up some bad code. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to put a poll. But I didn't have idea what to put. Like, do you like my music? My new background. Okay, yeah, sorry, Gemini, you go to bed. To bean. You're crap. Let's go for... I don't like this GPT. Crap. Actually, the cheap one, like the free one was good. Grok was nice, I liked it. Grok. Save me. Let's see if it's gonna pick up though. Okay, column label, custom column label need to be saved immediately to the backend. Yeah. That's what I want. Yeah. And why are you just? You didn't change anything. Core column labels. Only core column labels are saved to company settings. Custom columns labels are saved separately to their destinations. Rename custom columns saved immediately. What's now works? Oh, so rename. Okay, but reorder columns saved when they click apply. Rename core columns saved when you click apply. Yeah, so I think it should work. Okay, let's see. According to my lying AI, I was lied today so many times, so I don't trust them. Let's refresh it. Oh, so like I'm gonna name company name as a name. Yes, and it says you apply, and it works. Okay, so I applied, and I change, and I go back, and it's not saved. Son of a... But it's not saved. You lying AI. No, it's not saved. When I... Oh, it might be saved, but not actually updated. Yeah, I had the same problem on products. Yeah, I think I'm kinda... But like, basically it should actually... yeah, I think like it's... If I just check my backend, it will just say that there is a backend. It's saved on backend and returned somewhere here, which I can't find now. Yeah, I think it's this. No, these are the results. Company settings. Yes, and it's here. And columns. Yes. So it actually knows that it's name, and let's see the label now. Yeah, and it should take that label, but it's not applying it. So yeah, I know how to actually instruct my AI now. You know, you probably know it as well. It's very simple. We get it from backend, we save it to backend, we get it back from backend, but it's not applied. So let's just apply it. Yes, now we get it from backend, but it's not applied to the table when we change the view. Can you fix that, my lovely croc? Can you? We have 4 people and none of them, like just one guy is talking. We're a quiet audience today. I think you guys just like want to watch the code and not even interact with it. It's more fun that way. Do you like music? Oh, let's just that's a poll. Start a poll. How do you like my music. Great. Okay. Come on. Okay. Bad. Yeah, start the poll. Okay, I will just make it louder so you can hear it. You can hear all the beauty of them. His name is Mark Grechuta, and he's Polish artist from 1980s and 90s. Very artistic. So when I'm coding, I can just listen to something more artistic than just my thoughts. Wow, 5 people. This is pretty nice. We have some good chat today. I mean, it's mostly me chatting, but like, okay, let's see if my AI is actually done the job. So yes, we got it back from backend just recently, but now it wasn't applied. So let's see if it's applied now. So I've actually saved customers, and now it's not applied again. Okay, let's just see what we got from the backend. So yeah, no, it's name, contact person. Let's see if the order works, but like it doesn't seem to be. So let me reorder it and say phone will go to the second place. So phone is here. Oh, this is actually some. This is just like oh no, so we just had the email on the second spot. I think yes. Because probably if I check it here, yeah, if I check it here, company settings, UI settings, customer table, columns. So we have a name and then phone. Yes, so it's still not applied, You silly lying. No, use don't apply when we change the road. We've got the when I up. Is this a vibe coded up to? Mostly yes, probably like 80% it was vibe coded, rest was me just like writing stuff. But like yeah, it mostly was vibe coded. I kinda like vibe coding, Oh, like 100% people say the music is okay. That you're insulting me, guys. Okay, so when I load change 2026, so I think it's okay. What's okay? The app or like the music? Because the music is great. It's like this is the music that was sung in Poland 100 years ago, and they just like created new versions of it. Then I changed the root, and my update was returned from backend, but not applied to table columns. Yeah, doesn't seem to be working. Okay, vibe coding, yes, it's vibe coding 80%. I would say that's about right. Do you vibe code yourself? Okay, good. 100% okay, great, and okay, good. I like that someone finally agreed with me that this is great music to actually code. Let's see. I like the problem with vibe. I mean, as with my coding, obviously, when I'm coding, like it takes me time to actually get things right. So, what your app does? This is actually for deliveries. For like when you have like a supply company that delivers stuff from things to place to place, and like you are the middle person. So you have your clients, and you have your Some companies you deliver from and you deliver to. From and to, and then you have those deliveries, which my application allows you to plan properly and connect them together. So like when there's a delivery, it includes some clients, and we have them defined. In some places there are some sorry, I just got distracted by my beautiful music. So yeah, basically this is for delivery process. And you're probably gonna think that there are those applications already out there, and yes, they are. But mine is simpler, and the funny thing is, like, most of those apps are like big, huge applications that do many things, and I think I can do one thing but better than them, which is managing products, deliveries, and suppliers, and importing your Excel. And the funny thing is, like, 86%, according to some stat I found, 86% of supply companies still use Excel. Why did you retract your message? It was probably very smart. Yeah. NCS. I don't know what NCS is. I'm 40, so I probably don't know some slang. Oh yeah, I was actually going to announce, I hope someone would be interested. I'm looking for people who can do shorts out of me talking, like this crap that I'm actually talking now. Sometimes I'm actually saying smart things, turns out, and I'm looking for people who can do like DaVinci Resolve or something, who can actually make shorts out of it, and I would actually pay them for doing that, and I would pay them per short, and then I would give them maybe 30% of the revenue of what I'm making. What's your opinion about AI startup? Which startup? Like, you want to make a startup in AI, or like you want to build startup with AI? I'm going to make it. You have to like explain it a bit more. Oh, this one is nice. It's also the same band. Like they're this. I don't even know how to know. But they have some beautiful girls there. Look at those girls. Yeah, let me just show you this music. And like, I know it's you might say it's corny, but I kind of like it. I can help. Good. Okay, so if you are interested, email me. My email is basically, like, what I want you to do is make shorts for me out of what I'm actually creating. So like, let's say I'm actually, like, you have this video of me now talking, and I said something smart. I want you to get that video, cut it into small shorts, and send them to me, and I will publish them, and I will pay you for that. And this is like, and you decide like what's actually most interesting, and you give me, like, out of one of those videos that I make, if you make me 2 shorts or 3 shorts, I will pay you for them. And then when they get popular, and then I know I will get popular, because look how good music I'm actually playing for you. So I'm sure, like, in a couple of weeks there will be millions of people listening, and then I will actually share that with you as well. So we will see that this video that you actually edited is making good money, and I will share that with you, because like YouTube is paying for reviews, and if I can make views with my golden thoughts and my smart, with my beautiful blue eyes, I will share it with you. If you can make a short out of it, and not only shorts, like I could, like, like, I don't know if you listen to Asmongold. He has those like really long yeah, I don't know what XAXA means, but that's fine. Yeah, just email me if you're interested. We will talk. Oh yeah, I was going to play you the music. Sorry, I forgot. Luzowianki. Look at those girls. I mean, I'm married to a really beautiful Polish girl, Ukrainian woman, but those are handsome girls. Whoa. Yeah, so they're in like traditional Polish clothes. She's nice. Luckily, my wife is not looking. Yeah, but like they're playing nice music as well, so I like that. Oh, actually, yeah, they're nice. Yeah. Back to coding. Okay, so yeah, if you're interested in, let's call it a job, and I don't really care about your credentials. I don't really care about your CV. It doesn't matter to me as long as you can make a nice short and get me a views. If this short will get me views, I will pay you. And don't care if you're where you are and how much you just make me nice short. And if you wanna get it, just send me one short out of wherever you find and wherever you find interesting. If it's actually if I gonna publish it, I will actually I will take you. So yeah, that was announcement for today. Back to coding. Let's see if my column renaming is applied. So let's say, because it's actually on the backend now, and I can see that it's not applied still, despite my AI is telling me that it's applied. It's lying to me that it's yeah, I can see that it's not, because look here, I renamed this to company name. Yes, I said sorry, to name. Yes, so it should be name. It should be saved, and I applied it. So this was sent to the backend, and I know that it was sent to the backend because I can check it. If I go to this tab and go back to that tab, yeah, company settings. So I get my company settings. So this returns an array of columns, and those columns are first name, and then label is name, and here it says company name, this stupid thing, contact person, and then we also changed the order. Did we? No, we didn't change the order. Let's see if I reorder them. What kind of framework are you using for styling? It's called the stupidest framework out there, Tailwind. But it's my AI, so the best framework for styling is CSS, and this is not even controversial for me. I will vouch with that opinion forever. CSS is the best for styling. And fuck Tailwind. See, it's not applied. It's not applied, and it's coming back from a backend again and again. Son of a bitch. Why don't you attempt to... Or maybe there are no... maybe there are some refs things that is not really... Yeah, it's a framework. Or yes, it's a framework. It doesn't matter, you just like make things look like you want, whatever framework you like. Actually, my favorite framework, as like if we talk about it, because also Tailwind is not really a framework. Like what is it? It's a design no, it's a CSS library. It gives you style, so it's a style sheet with some additional toys. Like it's not applying classes that it's not exporting classes that you don't use. But the best framework for CSS, and that's actually something I will die on, is styled components, which unfortunately is not being supported anymore. But yeah, that's the best framework for styling, for CSS. Sorry, for styling, yes. And I can see that people are still here on the... Oh, I forgot the music, sorry. The music. What's your tech stack? React on the front end, Django on Python on the back end. I know I could probably play it from YouTube normally, but I'm just playing it from my phone. What's your tech stack? Yeah, so Django, what else? Postgres as a database, React, whatever, other shit. Why is styled components best? Because I like it most. It's like, why the blue color is the nicest? Because it's the best, Same with style components. I like how it's scoped. I like to actually make my components, like just name things as components, you know. So I like the React styling, the React way of writing things, you know. So you have a component and it's a wrapper. I kind of like that kind of thing. So like with style components, it only enhances that. And with Tailwind, what I hate is actually passing all of those classes, which are just gibberish. Like, no, so this is just inline CSS almost for me. And with styled components, you would just have this. That would be like styled tabs trigger or something. And it's just, for me, it's just nicer. And then you're, you know, when you, for example, when I'm editing this component, if I don't want to touch styles, because mostly I don't need to see those styles, you know. I don't need to see that crap here. And with Tailwind you do, like it's all here. I don't need this, because most of the time I'm not really touching even styles. Why don't you use styled components then? Because it's AI agent, I just told AI to build me a page, and I don't really care about that, to be honest. It's just like it's styling. It's the least important thing, in my opinion, in terms of like tech stack. So like you just wanna give it a. Let me just show you. You just want to give this black background, and that's what matters. And the rest, it just doesn't matter which library it is. Like we as a developers, as our engineers, we really focus on which library we use, and like it doesn't really matter often, because like you as an engineer, you shouldn't really talk about technology. You should talk about what problem are you solving and how you are solving it. And the library is just a tool that you're actually using. It's like, you know, let's say you wanna cut a piece of wood, you know, you have a, you know, pine piece of wood, you know, and you want to cut it, and it doesn't really matter if you use saw, like hand saw, for at the end, like for the customer, or like for the end user, like for, or even for the project itself. It often doesn't matter which saw you are actually using, as long as it's just cut, you know. One might be faster than the other slightly, but at the end of the day, like for the customer, it doesn't really matter, you know. And the customer is paying for your product, so like you have to, like, whichever library you're gonna choose, as long as your application looks sort of nice. And I will actually, like, the more I work on software, the less I think of like good design is actually very like great design, like super fancy design is actually that important. Because like some of the websites, or like, you know, nice logo, like, you know, if you have like super cool branding and stuff, if I don't like, it's actually that important. Because for example, when I'm buying stuff, I don't really care about that. I don't really care about logo, as long as it kind of looks kind of professional, you know. For example, this one, I think it's kind of professional. It's not really amazing, but hello, what's up? Alex, I think I've seen you before, did I? Or I really knew. Oh, I didn't hear the song yet. Make sure to vote on my music choice. I think it's amazing. So yeah, what was I? Yeah, so I was talking about styling. It doesn't matter, and logo doesn't matter, and colors doesn't matter, as long as it kind of looks professional. People want your application to be simple to use, to solve their problem, and that's it. And whether you are using CSS or style components or whatever, it just, yeah. Let's get back to my vibe coding, because that's what was I doing? Oh yeah. The renaming and reordering of my columns, which, yes, I was last, yeah, asking about the situation with your job. Yeah, my job is great. It's great. I'm gonna make myself a new job. I don't need those jobs. I don't need those corporate fucking jobs. I just can do my own. How much it takes to learn Python and then learning Django? I made like a course, like 40 hours course, and I think I'm pretty good with. I mean, you know, I'm not really amazing with with Django. I think I'm pretty good with Python after like 40 hours course. Plus, I was doing a bit at work, but not that much. I'm mostly like a front-end developer. Back to the coding. Why don't you save my column names? You son of a bitch. Sorry for swearing today, but I think like it gives me more viewers, so maybe I should be swearing more. Oh, that's a new poll. Some people think that this music is only okay. I feel offended. Let's end this poll. I don't like it. Yeah, I was going to ask some new poll, but I don't know. For now, I don't care. What's your daily coding timing? I can watch and code motivates me. I can watch and code motivates me. What's your daily coding timing? Oh, so what times I do coding? Like, so usually I just like I like now it's kind of holiday, so I did a bit less, but normally I'm doing about 9:30 to like 12-ish Polish time, and then in the afternoon Polish time, like Central Europe time. And like now this is a bit later, but it's like holidays. I have guests today, so like I'm coding later. But other than that, I'm trying to be like standard working hours. Sometimes I do evenings as well. I can watch and code motivates me. Yeah, so like yeah, I do that as well. I kind of like those. Sometimes those streams that people are coding. There is a guy called Primogen, which is like the best programmer out there online. But don't switch to him now, please. Just watch me. Stay here and listen to my traditional Polish music. And watch me actually getting this actually hopefully fixed, because I know it's being saved on fucking sorry. Hope there are no kids here. On backend, but then it's not applied. Let's see here, for example. If I just rearrange that one, if phone goes up in place of email, yes, phone goes here. And I go here and here. Yeah, no, it doesn't apply it. So yeah, I don't know, like provide, also this naming should be changed, but that's later. Okay, let's get back to my no. Please apply. Oh, okay, maybe I should tell him which endpoint it comes from, but because it doesn't seem to understand its own endpoints that it wrote. So company settings. Oh, but here. Oh, okay, so everywhere it comes back with company settings, which is not applied because there should be company settings. Delivery custom fields. No. Okay, so all of them. Yeah, silly, but company settings. Okay, so let's go to, for example, okay, come on, please try again. When, for example, in delivery, yes, I'm getting data from company settings. Come on, try again, focus. I'm getting data from companies. I'm getting response. I'm getting, for example, in deliveries, I'm getting / company settings response. I'm getting company settings response. I'm guessing it should its own backend for that. Yes, it should have that. So okay, let's try to fix deliveries first, because I can't do all, and maybe it's gonna be smarter when I just ask one at the time. What's the new poll for today? Start the QA. Did you go out for the new year? Yeah. Did you go out for the new year? Yes, no? Oh, okay, that's QA. Confirm, yes. Leave it. Chat. Welcome to live chat. Okay, that's not QA. Start the poll. Did you go out for... Oh, why did I get this guy? Everyone loves him. Like super fat guy who was singing with the ukulele. Someday we're over the rainbow. I know you came from my singing here. It's not about my vibe coding and 15 years of experience in software development, but that doesn't seem to apply now. Like it's kind of, I think I wasted 15 years because I can't get my fucking columns to actually apply. Yeah, okay. Are you doing that to me? Okay, so provider. I want to rename provider with customer. Obviously the customer. Okay, apply. Are you gonna... No, it renamed it to provider. I'm tired with it. Business. Okay, come. Okay. Company settings. Jesus, like what a stupid. Okay, let's see what it's saving. Customer. Let's save it. Yes, let's apply it. I think it's actually... Oh, okay, I think I know what's going on. It's all saving all of them to company settings. And they should have individual ones. So I know what... Sorry, why don't you choose Node.js, bro? I don't know. It's not... It's cool. Like, Django is good. Why would, like... Why is it better than Django? I think I know what's wrong. Like, if you just do AI agent, it doesn't matter really. Like, it's just gonna be some gibberish that your AI is writing for. It's not like you know. I think I'm more familiar with Python anyway. So like, if I have to go and check my code and apply it, like I think I feel more comfortable in. Or maybe maybe Node.js would be good as well. I don't know. I think like I just chose Django because I thought it's gonna be fine, and I think it's fine. And yeah, but if you like Node.js, go for it. I think it's a good stack as well. In my view, Python is fastest with good integration. Python has good integration with AI. Then Node.js, maybe, yeah, maybe. I think I like both. I could do with both, but I just decided to go with Python. I think I know what's wrong. What's wrong? Okay, you save cost deliveries. Suppliers and cost to company setting endpoint. I think they all have individual endpoints. Points were save their layout and then from that yeah. Okay, yeah, let's try that one. There's a question, do you have 15 years of coding experience, right? Yes, yes, mostly. I mean, last 3 years, like maybe not even, like last year and a half, I've been like vibe coding and some, like not that much actually of programming, I think. But yeah, like I've been working as a software developer for 15 years, mostly front end, some back end as well, quite a lot of UI. Oh, this is Studio Ghibli music. Yeah, 15 years of on since my university. So yeah, I'm almost 40. And now I don't want to go back to corporations. That's why I'm actually building my own thing with AI. Let's get back to Polish folk songs. I think they were nicer. So I do love Studio Ghibli music, but boy, like, oh, this is nice. This one will be nice. Let's just go back to the first one again. Yeah, it has been. I think it's building a lot of useless code. Let's see. Okay, so here in URLs we are getting yes. This is what I want you. Yes, this is what I want you. I want individual settings with endpoints, and then you're gonna get them, get patch. Yes, update them and get them from that endpoint. Good. This is yeah. Good. You are waking up, AI. Seems like you're doing good job now. Here, yes, product stable settings, good. Looks actually decent. I think we might have a solution finally after like 15 prompts or something. Can you give me suggestions about how to learn new framework or new language? Yeah, just the thing is that don't use AI if you want to learn it. I think it's best to learn it before you actually like. Yeah, just use AI as little. Don't do what I'm doing now. Just like prompting my way through problem. I don't think it's a good way to learn. Just do like a good old-fashioned good video tutorials. Learn it, and then you can vibe code if you want to. I think like to be honest, like I'm just reading docs. Yeah, that's good way to do it. Like I actually don't really like reading docs myself. I prefer to watch video tutorials. I think that's my favorite way of learning, but that's up to you, you know. Like if you prefer reading docs, I just can't focus sometimes on docs. Like for me they're hard, and much easier is for me when I'm watching someone actually coding, and then I understand code somehow better. Although like sometimes the bad side, like the good thing about reading docs, like sometimes I'm just like reading some doc 3 years after learning React, that you know I just realized that this was there on page 3. You know, there was something really obvious on page 3 of React set docs, and I just kind of realized after a couple of years of using it, it's like, oh wow, because I was just learning through video tutorials and then working. But I think like wherever is your way, the time you spend coding with the library, it's just you are learning. So. I don't know if there is the best way to do it. Like it's much more what's your favorite way and what works for you. Because for me, video tutorials work well. For other people, reading docs or books. For other people, I don't know, just going into just reading the code. You know, I know people who just go and read the framework code. That's like sometimes I do that as well, because I just kind of check what's there. When you are reading from your last company, when you resign from your, I'm like I'm still there, I'm still paid by them, but I'm not working for them anymore. So I'm still, so I will be till the end of February there. So there are still, I'm still officially employee, but I don't have to do anything. And then I have some savings. I'm planning to do another 2 or 3 months, and hopefully my applications or my YouTube and anything else, then corporate work will actually make me enough money to actually, pay my mortgage and feed my kids. That's the plan. Otherwise, I actually have a couple of like interviews just in case, like Google or something. I hate them. I don't want to go to Google. I think it's lame. But I might actually, I'm on the interview process as well. So, but hopefully I won't go back. I don't like them. I mean, let's hope they won't watch my thing before the interview. And maybe maybe I'll get the job and I will like it. But I think if I can actually stay working my doing my startup stuff, that would be best. Do you like the music? Yeah, okay. Is it implemented? Yes, build. Let's see if my backend is actually supporting. So, provider. Let's just rename this. The customer. Oh, sorry. Customer. Save. Apply. I think I'm getting annoyed now. Yeah, I think it's still broken. In the company, most of the engineers use AI or not. Yes, they do. Like most of the people now use AI. They pretend they don't. Undergraduate with comp. The thing is, yeah, most pretend they don't, and they're ashamed that they are using AI, but they use AI. Like I do now. It's like the thing is like it's just a tool, like. Hello. Oh, I think you've been here, didn't you? Like I think you have speak to this. Is it Tom or this Tom Bravo? Yeah, I think we've been talking before. Back to my. No. Okay, I change the value of column name and then apply, but it instantly revert the value. So, for example, in deliveries, providers to cost, and when apply it gets back its customers for a second, and then provide ideas. Good that we both launching our own SaaS. All the best. So what's your SaaS? What is it about? This is a popular. I think it's quite popular today. Like maybe people have nothing better to do than watch me actually fixing my bugs in my app. New Year's Eve, and people have nothing better to do than watch good old Maciej getting annoyed with his AI. That's a good day. Oh, what was my question? Now, what did I ask? Did you go out? So yeah, most of us didn't go out. Yeah, me too. I stayed at my sofa. It's AI digital marketing. Oh, okay. I hear that kind of thing quite often recently, you know? What is it doing exactly? Like I heard that kind of thing like in last 2 months, maybe 5 times from different people. Like, you know, they do the SEO for things, or just like some marketing stuff with AI, or like WordPress blogging thing with AI. What's your thing? I know it's a popular topic. Like my application is very like basic. Like it's for things that are just like delivered physically. People deliver things and they still do that, and they will do that. So that's where I think my edge is. You know, I know it's actually good. Like everyone now is focusing on actually AI, and I might actually include AI in my app later, but I don't like AI is actually such a useful tool for some things. You know, there are some things that it's actually very useful, but I think for good old-fashioned like delivery management, it's not, and it's not gonna do a good job if you use it much. What's top fans? Top chat. Top fans. What's top fans? Yeah. So what is your app doing? For now, we have only focusing on social media, and starting with Instagram, you can analyze your account's health, content strategy, generate content, and publish. Is like AI generation of content? Can you do shorts for my videos? Things like AI bubble. Yeah, I think there is some of it. I think like for example, if you look even at, I mean, now there's lots of money pumped into it, and it has very many resemblance with previous bubbles. So I think there might be a bubble, and it might burst. But I think it's a useful technology, and people will use it. But like it will just like there's always that kind of thing, you know. There's a big bubble and there's a correction, you know. So you know there's a quick growth of something, and then we realize that okay, we just put too much money into this crap, and it's not worth that much, and it's like goes down. But like there's still some use for it, and like people will be using a chat GPT or just those agents anyway, and they will be generating images with that. But like it's not worth as much, you know. So like it will go down, but it will just kind of stabilize somewhere here, somewhere in the middle. That's how I see it. So I think it's way overpriced, and we put too much into this AI thing. Although it's useful, so it has some value. So like it's not gonna go like this, like burst, and it will be suddenly worthless. Even like with the .com bubble, like some of the companies survived because there was something there, you know. There was some quality and some value. It is AI. It can generate whole 1 month content calendar in seconds, according to the account. And put it. Yeah, the problem with like what I find as a problem in an AI generated content is it's very AI, and if it's too much of it, its value is going down. So if you can generate things in seconds, but the thing is like to make a good AI content, like if you want to create say good AI like post even with AI, and I do that all the time now, I still have to feed it with some good information, and this is work. And you need to have someone who will actually feed it with this information. If you just say to AI, just write me a post, you know, write me a post about React, it will just like spit something out that is so generic that people will just ignore it. Like if you just post it on social media, people will ignore it. If you have some good engineer that worked some couple of years in the industry, and he has some good idea, and he puts that into AI, and the AI reforms that idea a bit, then it's worth something, you know. Or like if you have some good idea that AI is just gonna improve. But other than that, like I think like generate, like if you talk about generating a whole 1 month content, that sounds to me like a lot of AI slap, which is not that useful for me. And I don't think you will say that if you see my product. Yeah, show it to me. My product is alternative to traditional digital. Yeah. I hope it probably is. Like I might be generalizing, and like this might be my limited knowledge. You know. And when I talk to those guys who actually talk about those marketing SaaS, not SaaS, SEO products, like I mean, it sounds to me very similar all the time. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, as I'm saying, like I haven't seen the product, so just because I'm saying something, it doesn't mean that it's true. But yeah, like I run my own digital marketing actually. Now I'm building to replace me. Nice. I mean, it's not gonna replace you, because the problem is, even if you make a tool that will actually make something happen, you're gonna come out with new idea, and you will just start thinking about some other stuff. So it's not like you're gonna replace yourself. You're gonna replace this one thing that you've been doing, and it will give you time for other thing, and you will find another problem that you will try to solve, maybe with AI or maybe with programming. And that's how I see it. It's not like we are. There is infinite amount of things to solve. I feel, you know. We will all, if you like, let's say I have a problem at my home, there's a leak in my pipe, you know, and I will fix it, so this problem is fixed. But then I find out that there's another thing broken in my home, which I didn't think of before, because the leak in the pipe leak was actually more important for me and took all my thinking, you know, and it was the biggest problem at the time. And then I realized that my squeaky door are actually annoying me, because my pipe is working now correctly, but I found other thing to worry about. And we as a people are actually very good at that, you know. We actually find a problem, we really work hard to actually fix it, and then when it's fixed, we are not satisfied, we are just looking for another problem. This is good music. Oh, so half of the people went out. Now most of the people went out. Whoa. 5 votes, good. Is my AI working now or not? Like, did you or did you not apply the change customer? I might change my, okay, save. And it's provider all the time. Yeah, let's just see what's wrong here again. So I get stuff from backend. I don't know, like, will it ever solve it? Because it solved it in my products table. Like, it might be a day when I'm back to actually coding myself, you know? I might need to program this crap myself. Because my AI is kinda shit today. It led me all the way here, and I'm actually surprised that now, with this kind of simple concept of ordering things, which it has done in products tab, it can't actually do that for customers, suppliers, and deliverers. And then now I'm just like a prompting incorrectly, and like at some point we'll find a prompt. Delivery custom fields, delivery stable settings. Okay, so we have delivery stable settings. Delivery provider, key. Oh, but it's not saving even the key. Oh, okay, so it's probably saving the order of things, which is good, at least step forwards. Expected, apply. Yes. Let's go here. So now I expect it to be expected second. Yes. Okay, so at least it's remembering the order. Let's see if it's working here with the order. So now we will know that it's only So phone is the second, and then email. Phone, email. Expected order. Okay, phone, email. Yes, yes. Okay, works here. Good. So ordering works. Email here. Email goes first. Yes. Okay, so ordering works. So yeah, I was just complaining at my prompting skills, and it seems I'm a master prompter. Good. So back to the labeling problem, and I think we're done with this issue. So good. This is good day. Hello, new guy or girl. I would be surprised. Most of the men are coming. Yeah, mostly we are guys. Do you? Oh, okay. What's true? Where are we? Sorry, I just got distracted by a chat. Okay, so now. Okay, so now I know why it's broken, because now it doesn't bring. Now it's probably not bringing for all of them. It's not responding. Businesses settings, suppliers table settings. Okay, probably there is no key. Yes, I mean there is a key obviously, but there is no label. Do you have a LinkedIn? Yes, I do. My name is. That's me. That's this guy. That's me. Or you don't mix this channel with your personal life. I don't care about that. Yeah. This channel is my personal life. This is all personal. Oh, okay, so now the label. So it seems like the table. It seems like we don't save. Yes, is working now well. Thanks for grok. But the labels are not saved. Can you say them to the backend and apply them on red tree? And apply them then. Yeah, good prompt, perfect prompt. There's another good song I can play for you guys. I think you will appreciate that. Just find it. Oh, yeah, this one. Or you? Okay, yeah, I don't mix the channel. Why do you have like a girl's avatar? Are you a girl? Do you have a girl here? Is there a real girl here? Sorry. Bokil Clipper 5615. Are you a girl or are you a guy? Let's see the channel. Ooh, is this you? Hoo. Other missing source core properties. This fix. What was your fix? You source label source core label undefined. Okay, let's see it. It sounds like a super solution. I'm a guy. That's fine. I'm married, so I don't care. You know. I don't like girls anymore. No, I have two daughters, so yeah, I know. I do have to like them. Company name. Let's try that. Let's try to call it name. Save. Apply. Okay. Good. Good to have hobbies, I guess. So we go here and see. Yeah, good. Good. Remembers. Good. Order works. This works. One more thing is in my deliveries. The first column should not be provider, it should be customer, and it should be linked to customers and allowed to. Okay, good. But now in deliveries, the column that is called provider. Is it provider? Providers. Provider. Tam na górze. I'm just trying to find you some good music, guys. So don't, please, like, if I'm not talking and not coding, please appreciate my good music choice. Let's see what's with this one. I actually don't like that one. Last two. Oh yeah, this one is good. Okay, it's called provider. It should be customer and should be linked to my custom section, my customers, but to my customers class. You wanna see my project site? I will share. Yeah, just send this. Yes, share it here. I will open it. I will show it to all the three people here. To my customers class, and when I want to change value, it should fed values from the list like we. Where do we have customers like that? Yeah, like we have in products. Table. Not to all. Oh, just send it to my email. Yeah, send it to my email. It's actually, I think I shared it earlier, but I am using one of, like, it's gonna be sent to me anyway. Office at planero.eu. So this is like, yeah, just send it to me. If you have some things you wanna share with me, I would check them. I was actually advertising that I'm looking for people who can make shorts for me out of the stuff that I'm actually talking now. So if you can, like, if you can do the, say, DaVinci Resolve or wherever, like video editing or anything, and you can make good shorts, I'm ready to pay for that stuff. Real dollars. Oh yeah, so we have to do some migrations. That's good. Sounds like a good solution. Nice song, isn't it? Shorts. My channel was about that. In my country, most of us call it clipping. Yeah, okay, clipping. Yeah, in YouTube they call them shorts. So yeah, just short videos of, you know, like you get me talking, and sometimes I'm really saying smart things. I realize, you know. That's why my channel name has Creeper in it. Okay, cool. Um, yeah. So as I'm saying, like sometimes I'm surprised how smart things I manage to say, and I would like someone to just go through my video and just find things that he finds interesting and make them into those clippings, and those clippings we can share, and then I would pay you for each individual one that I find good enough that I post. But I think like if they would be okay, then I would probably post them anyway. And then, sorry for bumping my mic. And then I would share with you some money. Oh yeah, okay, I will. Then I will share with you. You know, if it gets to above million, obviously they pay like $10. I would share like half of it or something, or third. I don't know. I have to figure out how much I can pay. But for now I can, like, for if you get 2 million, I will pay you $20. If the videos that you those clippings that you actually make for me will get 1 million views somehow, and I think they can actually at some point. You know, if you point, you know, I will pay you. How much did I say? $30. Yeah, because I think it's gold what I'm saying. So you know, it's just about sharing. Yeah, this message appears suspicious. Free up. Okay, can I? Do I want to go? Are you the developer? No, I don't like your page, dude. You just sent me some email and it doesn't seem to work. Or are you just trying to mess me up? Am I? Yeah, I don't know. Your app is showing us suspicious. So, I don't know. But so, TCM Bravo. Your app is blocked by my browser, so I think I will stay away from using it. Sorry, you have to fix your domain or something. Yeah, that you are using. You know, yeah. I'm not gonna use that. Sorry. Okay, let's see what I can keep now. Oh, so much code here. Let's see if it's actually applied. So deliveries, customer. Ooh. Console. Okay. I like actually AI for this now. Just copy and paste that shit. Like before I would have to read the error and just try to fix it. Good, continue. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't fix it yet. Good. Let's hope it will. Wait, I will send original URL. Why should I click it? I'm sorry, I'm not gonna engage with that. Sorry. Unless, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I think like I already, I was already too nice. Do you think I got scammed? Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, looks okay. Yeah, I got the website. It looks good. Generator first post free. Yeah, yeah, looks cool. Although I'm not gonna use that kind of thing for now, at least. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Looks cool. Look, cool website. You built something. Looks cool. Thanks for sharing that. I don't think I will actually use that for now. Maybe later. I think it's. Can you send it here? I'm curious. Yeah, like it's a seems like it's like a normal address. digitalmarketingapp.com. If you want to sell it internationally, I would actually put dollars or pounds or something instead of rupees, unless you want to sell it in India only. Okay, back to my app. I think it actually no. Yep. Okay, there's errors. That's good because they're so easy to fix now with AI. I'm getting errors. Then please. I have put currency selector. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm not gonna buy your app for now. You know, I'm not interested actually in that kind of service at this moment. Maybe later. Expected order product status customer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. So customer should yes. Oh yeah, I have some bug as well. I'll have to fix that. Apply. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So we have that. Lol, I'm not telling you to buy. Yeah, okay. Sorry, like I will maybe check it at one point. Sorry. I want to focus on my app for now. And congratulations. I like your page. I think you actually. I wish I had such a good sales page. You know. For my app, I think you actually built something really nice, and this is mine, and you have it better. And good luck selling it. But like as I'm saying, like for now, I'm. Yeah, I can't really focus on that kind of thing. I have to fix my bugs in my app. Oh, see, like for example, this is a bug. But when I select a value, where I select a value, yeah, okay, so good. Yep. Now when it's not being saved. What is your app? Web. It's not saved. Can I paste it? aidigitalmarketing.com. Yeah, AI digital. Is it? aidigitalmarketing.com. Yeah, looks. I mean, the thing is, like, I think you actually seem to have a pretty good product. I don't know. I mean, just like the sales page looks good for me. I don't know. I mean, sounds interesting. Maybe at some point I will actually play with it. I might actually need, like for me, like I need clippings now. I want to develop my YouTube channel more than like Instagram stuff, and like also Instagram is like it likes those clippings as well. What song can I play now? No. Okay, this music is too much now. Oh, this is. Even I'm using that for myself. I have been generating cars also. Okay. Okay, let's see if my AI is doing me a good service. So let's say I selected this. Oh yeah, I think it seems to be working now. Let's go here, for example. Although like the response time is so, but okay, yeah, saved. Good, bravo. No, not saved. Overwritten. Shit. What about if I just refresh now? No. Doesn't seem to work, which I don't like too much. Okay, another pizza. Okay, it's saved. So let's move. Let's choose one. Okay, I don't like how slow it is. Okay, it looks better. Looks better. We still have some bug that when I change a value of cost, it table data and sends this to off table. Sends, okay, reshuffles my table. My table refreshes. Reloads my table, and this is moved to the last position. It should just without customer value. Yeah, okay. I still have some bugs here. Are still using free grok code. Yeah, yeah, I know. It's pretty decent. Like, I actually have some new credit. I could probably play with the other ones. But I got annoyed today. I got really annoyed with this Claude Sonnet. Son of a bitch. Wasn't like... was so stupid. But like, I mean, then I had to actually just go into my code and go to... like, really properly check my endpoints to find out that it's actually... like, okay, the cloud was okay, so I just changed the one to grok just for that, for I don't know, because I got annoyed. So I might actually get back to one of those. But okay, let's just use this one. The thing is, like, I don't know, like, I don't really see that much difference between them. Like, you know, sometimes they get stuck and they get stupid, but then you go to your, if you know how to like do like basic debugging, like, you know, network, and go to the wherever console, you'll be fine with each of them. It's good, but I prefer maybe a video output for the marketing. Maybe. Hello, new guys. 2 new people. Nice. Make sure you subscribe. I love subscribers. I really love subscribers. Those are the best people in the world. Yeah, it's not bad. I used myself just to have to give right prompt. Yeah, I think it's like all of them. Did you try it, Raptor Mini? No, I didn't try Raptor Mini. Refined version of GPT-5 Mini. It should be good and fast. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I see very little difference between them now. As I'm saying, like, sometimes I just like if I'm upset, I will just go to the debugger and stuff and then try to... Why don't you save it? Why don't you save it, you bastard? What about this one? And there's also a bug, like, why does it have to each time? Yeah, okay. So this one, like, why don't you save it? Yeah, let's see. Like, is there anything? Maybe there's some bug or something. Okay, is it? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, I get this error now. For some items, when customer, I get this error. You have thinking of launching it today? Yes, yes, I wanted to. I think it might not really succeed. I kind of got stuck on a couple of bugs, and I think I'm gonna fail. And I have guests at my home, so I have to be a bit more hospitable to them rather than to you lovely people online. So yeah, I think I will just like finish in a minute or two, 5 or 10 minutes or something. Let's fix that bug. I will just publish it, and then I'll be back tomorrow or day after, and then I will get it launched. Yes, videos also there, even content ideas, auto generate, publish to Instagram. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, I got lost with some of the chat about the app from the TCM Bravo 2336. Yeah. Okay. Good luck with that app. Like, yeah. Uh, for now, I'll just focus on my thing. And like, I was thinking about going now, but there's more people coming in. Like, come on, like, why now? Why not earlier? It's great then, just the marketing problem. Um, did you like the video? Did you like the? Why now no one is liking my thing? Make sure you like me. Like me. Subscribe, guys. Oh, 7 likes. Okay, sorry, I didn't refresh. Oh, my ball is writing. Sorry. Hey, happy new year, buddy. Sparkle. Yeah, my buddy is actually saying that he Kuba, who, yeah, hi Kuba. Which one are you? Yeah, it's fun. Like, I have now 9 viewers now. It's my new record. So yeah. And like, I'm actually like, I have friends at my home, and I supposed to go and just like say hi to them. Oh yeah, yeah, Kuba, Jakub Brzeszczyk. Yeah, cześć Kuba. Miło widzieć. So Kuba here was helping with me with this app. He did a couple of like, he did a couple of bits. He actually created another app for me as well, which I still have to finish. So sorry, Kuba, I didn't look into it yet. I will play with it maybe soon. But first, this one needs to be launched. So tomorrow, probably, Planero will go live, or day after. I was supposed to do it today, but I think it's not gonna happen. I mean, I could just flick it. I could just like in, because the only thing I have to do now is go to Stripe and set up payments and make sure that it works. Obviously, no one will buy it yet. Like, I'm not really pointing any potential customers to it, so it doesn't really matter that much. But like, that would be really symbolic. It would be like a beautiful moment to just like turn it on now. And I don't think I can do it now. I will probably do it tomorrow or the after. There's another bug I kind of annoys me, but like maybe I should make it work. Like, yeah, no, new client. Good, good. This one works now. Nice. Let's see if other places do the same problem. Okay, because I used to have the same problem here. If I save here, okay, no. Okay, there's same bug in customers and suppliers. There is a same in customers and suppliers. So when I save, it will my table with the data going to the end the list. Kuba, you like music? Choice? I think you might try this one. Okay, let me just play something nice. I hope you will know it actually. What was I playing? Shit. Such a no, not Queen. Don't play Queen. Make 2-minute explainer video. Make sure to clearly state what problem you're solving. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Like, yeah, I think like yes. Screen scandal. I think I agree. I have to clearly like the problem is overcomplicated. Like, you know, them using Excel. You have an Excel and it's shit. And I think I put a couple of words into it that I might actually need to rethink that one. I mean, I'm planning to do multiple videos for that. So there will be a video for sales page, which is like 2 minutes video. Yes. So this is actually something like that. But also, I'm kind of wondering if it's necessary there. I'm sure I will be doing some videos for this channel and some other places where I will be talking about my app. And for example, if I get like my idea now is like when I get some customers, I will be actually inviting them straight to do those kind of live chats when I will be they will be telling me why my app is broken, why don't they like it, even if they hate it. Like it would be actually even like a good idea for a video, like I've got the first customer and he hates my app, you know, and then I speak to him and try to actually get him to actually tell me what's wrong. That would be a pretty cool video, and I think, like, you know, I would watch that kind of content. So yeah, I do have and I'm planning to make like multiple videos for like explaining what's the app, what's it solving, why it's good actually. And I actually have like another like very good marketing idea. I don't know if I should say it, but it's really brilliant. I think it's like the gold. Yeah, sounds interesting. Forge from my previous streams, if you remember me. Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, I remember the logo. I don't remember. I can obviously check what were we talking about, but I remember you actually for sure. Oh, sorry, I pinned you. Sorry, undo. No, don't pin. Yeah, I'm breaking things here. Channel activity. Yeah, I can check what we were talking about. Like, I don't remember everything, but like it's pretty cool actually with YouTube that I can actually check what activity we had. Although like all of them are okay. Nice. Are you using it right? Yeah. Okay, boilerplate thing. Nice launching. Yeah. Okay. Nice to see you again. Yeah, sounds interesting. Oh yeah, I have another idea. Should I share it? But I don't think it will actually be a problem. What I'm planning to do is find multiple, like, let's say you have those videos where like people talking about like 5 top apps for this, you know, or like let's say 5 best apps for delivery management, you know, and in 2026, you know, so like you get those videos. So I'll actually make a video about, you know, the biggest common ones that we know, and one of them will be Planero, and I will be saying like, you know, probably, you know, Microsoft app is better for this and this and this, but like Planero is simple, you know. So some people who will watch this kind of comparison video, where, you know, there's like, okay, 5 best apps for, you know, managing this thing, managing deliveries. There will be actually they will actually consider mine as a like one of the established ones, you know. And like with YouTube, you can actually, for not very much money, I can actually, and I was actually doing it earlier with my channel, but I don't do it too much now. I would actually put like $2 or $3 into video to make it a bit more popular. Like, it was mostly for my ego, I think, because I would just like, you know, I just didn't want to have videos early that would have 5 views, you know. So I would just put some promotion, like some of them would get up to 1,000 views, and like at the beginning I would get like 90% of that would be like a you know, YouTube advertising. But like for $2 or something, or $3. So I thought like it's not that much. I can pay for that just to have, just for my videos to look a bit more popular. I stopped doing it because it's not really good value for money. But at first, you know, for my ego, I thought like it's a good money well spent. Okay, is this error here or from other page? No errors here. Good. No errors here. No errors here. I think I will publish it and see how it works. Yeah. Okay. So I will create a pull request. I've sent how many? 15 files or something. Some 13 files. Okay, let's do. You know what's the best Git message to put for commit? I had a developer in one of my companies who would like, if you looked through his history, it would be just up, 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 up. So he was actually a pretty good developer. He knew pretty good like JavaScript very well, but it was annoying to look at his, you know, commit history. Although, like, if you think of it, it doesn't fucking matter. Just wherever. No one reads it anyway. Like in corporation, like no one cares. Although, like, if you think of it, what's happening here? Press Q. Yeah, wherever. Fuck it. Like, okay, I think I'm done. You, hi man. Why did you just come now, Nani? Oh, and make sure you email me your shirts. I mean the clippings. They're called clippings, I heard in your country. Yeah, make sure to give me one, so I can consider you as a good match for my business. Yeah, hi Nani. Good to see you again. Unfortunately, because I have guests today, I have to go back to them. Oh, you sent me? What did you send me? Come on, I didn't see it. Now maybe like my. Did you get my email right? Come on, I didn't see it. Sorry, if I didn't. Okay, I need to check. Maybe I missed it. Please, Google Meet. No, that's not you. That's a Google Meet, Google interview. I don't want to take. Good at JS. Let me know here if you need help. No, at this moment I don't really need much JS help. I need someone to actually help me with my videos. Yeah, I'm very particular about what's necessary for me. I just want to get more shorts out there and more like small clippings, short videos and stuff. So that's actually something that I'm much more interested in than JS help. You know, yeah, I think I would like to have like I need people who can just like go and just download this video and just, you know, if there's anything fun or like smart that I say, and I hope I'm saying smart things, and I do. It's like sometimes I think I do say smart things. Then just clip it and just give it to me as a video, and then I will pay for it. Not much. My budget for now is very limited. Like my channel is not that big, but it will grow, I'm sure. Because yeah, it's fun. Like I really enjoy it. This is like the most fun part of my day now. You know, I would do that earlier. I would just do that on my own, and now I have 7 people watching me coding, like or just vibe coding and just chatting and playing some cool Polish music. Let me just play something nice before we finish. Yeah, some folk music, Polish folk music. Let's just play something folky. Okay, this will be like, I think, yeah, okay, yeah. Don't rush me, man. No, don't leave. Please. Okay, let's just play one more. I will play one more song. When it's over, we go. Oh, okay. Let me just play you Kwiat Jabłoni. Okay, this one is nice. I like this one actually a lot, and the movie is shit. It's called Chłopi. It's a shit movie, but the music is very nice. The movie is shit. It's called Chłopi. One more hour and you're good. Thank you. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Yeah, be fine. It would be fun, but I really like my guests will leave me. I think we can hear your audio second time in the background. Is it only just me? Ah, we can hear. Yeah, yeah. Because I'm playing songs from my phone. You know, that's why you can hear my audio. This is on purpose. Don't you like my audio? Or is it like really shit? Okay, so what's wrong? Is this like a okay? Let me just play it from from YouTube. Okay, so what's wrong? Is this like a okay? Let me just play. Oh, there's some other audio. Okay, that's what happens. So you can hear me. Yeah, sorry for that. I suck as. Yeah. I'm from Poland, and Jakub here is from Poland as well. We actually know each other. Sorry, like I was playing my audio here in background. I'm such a shitty YouTuber. Okay. Where was I? Where was I? Yes, he's from Poland. Okay. Yeah, we Polish. Where is it? Let me just play this one. What was the name of the song? Look fit. Kwiaty boy. Yeah, let's play those guys. So I'll do a pull request while this music is playing. Yeah, as I'm saying, it's a shitty movie. Okay, is it working? No, it's not. Seems to. Where's the audio? Yeah, it's just like I mean I like my wife watched it, but I heard it's shit. Like the thing is like it's one of those movies where you hate everyone, like you hate all of those people and you don't want to watch it anymore. But yeah, it's about a woman fucking some other guys, you know, married woman, having sex with a guy who was also married, and that was like original book as well. So it's and book got Nobel Prize for some reason. I don't know. There's a lot of really crappy shit actually being awarded in very important prizes. So, but okay, yeah, play this music for yourself. I will do pull request and go. Sorry, not this time. I know. I don't know if you could hear me even. Yeah. Okay. Pull request. Yeah. Pull request. Git. Here. I hope I'm not sharing anything. Okay. Yeah. My. I have like even Jakub is somewhere here even. In my Git. See, like, what's that? What a nice message here. I don't really check the code. Like when I go to like corporate work, I would usually read the code. But the more AI, like the less I care. I can fix it later. I think I fixed it well enough. So yeah, that's what today is like one of the most fun ones we had. For sure, the most chat. So much. You guys talk a lot. And most of the people went out. Just unlike me, I just stayed at home, sat on my sofa, and 5 past midnight I went to bed. And had like this much wine. Something break. If something break, how would you know which version to roll back to? I'll just fix it, you know. I'll just fix it. Where did you learn the German accent? No, it's Dutch, dude. It's Dutch. I hate Germans, you know. It's Dutch accent. That's what I heard from some people. I don't know. Okay, I you know, I lived in London for 10 years, so this is where I learned English mostly. And I went to university there. Have fun, the best for your product. Yeah, thanks for that. Have fun all. the best for your product. Thanks to TCM Bravo. And if you're coming up, I don't know. Okay, I think I got lost in the chat. Let's see if it actually builds. Render. I don't know if I should show that. Let's just hide it for now. So I don't trust you guys, or some of you. Render. Can I show things here? Oh, and I have to send it to production. I have a production environment. So my did they change something here? This one. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I wonder if this is the latest version. Okay, it's deployed. Yeah, I'll check it later. And do I know where to roll back? Sometimes I just check which code was there. Sometimes I remember the commits, and sometimes if it's broken, I try to fix it. You know, like the thing about Git is like, you know, I don't know, like you might have your own way to actually do. If you find that you broke something, I just try to fix it and not worry too much about going back stuff. I don't know, like I rarely actually revert things unless I really think it's fact. But like sometimes I just try to fix it, and like with AI you can just fix it quickly. I don't know. Yeah, you can always roll back and see. Oh yeah, if you're asking like how I know version to roll back, I can obviously like I can, if I don't know, like if I really messed up the Git like with messages, like here I just like put up today, so like it's obviously a bad naming, but way to do it. But you like sometimes I would just go to previous versions, and you can do it very quickly in VS Code and just check what's happening there. Like, you know, if you go here, you have your history. Obviously, you can just check out this version and go back, you know, and see if it's working there, and then you know where you fucked it. But yeah, I'm back to my GitHub. Let's just make sure that main is up to date here. Yes, I have a prod domain. Currently it's the EU, but I will buy another one. I just need to like think again, like look again and think again what would be the good domain name, like a good domain extension, because it's gonna be Planero, and the .com is sort of really expensive. Branch merge. .com is really expensive. I think it's like you can buy it from the market. Because I have it on render, I see it as similar. Is Vercel better, or is it? I don't know. I actually didn't use Vercel yet. I actually have alternative version deployed to, which is something that is called nazwa.pl in Poland, and it's a very cheap server, like super cheap. And I might actually at some point, if I realize that if the render is too expensive to me, and Vercel is expensive as well. If it's too expensive for me, I will actually move it to Nazwa and deploy it there, and it will be way cheaper. It's like for me, like currently for render, I'm paying like $35 for like testing environment, and when and my Nazwa, the Polish one, costs me $100 per year for multiple services, so it's way cheaper. .co is cheap. Yeah, I think it's cool. I might actually buy .co, unless you're gonna sweep it away from me, and then you're gonna email me saying that you can have it for $1,000. So hopefully you won't do that. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm done for today. Thanks guys for coming. I really enjoyed today. Like this was the best one so far. I think Vercel at some certain point is free if you still I think like the render is free at some point, and then it's not free, and then like it it kind of stops service, and it kind of annoys you all the time if you don't pay them. It's like they will make you pay anyway you like it or not. So I tried free version, and even for development it was annoying. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to play with another one for now. I can probably, like, same time as figuring out Vercel for me now would be to get it working on Nazva, which I already have for free. So it would be free for me at all, and like it works pretty well. And we actually with Kuba we tested it earlier. Happy New Year, everyone! See you soon. See you, Kuba. See you soon, guys. I really enjoyed today. Stop recording. Stop streaming. Bye.